Hello guys, hope all of you are doing well. This is Showman from Oil and Gas Field Quality Control. Very interesting subjects. Maybe most of you have never worked in this field, but I had a chance to work with hot tapping. This is our subject today. Let us start to discuss. Hot tapping design. Dimension of the connection. The dimensions of the connection, the hot tap valve and the clearance shall be within the limits specified for the hot tapping equipment to be used. This requires data from the most likely contractor or specification of a least allowable hot tapping machine for the project. The minimum bore of the valve used shall be large enough to pass the cutter and the stopple plug. Size to size taps. A tap equal to the nominal size of the header, such as required for stopping a pipeline, shall be made only when accurate positioning of the cutter can be guaranteed. This is accomplished by use a shop fabricated split T. In all other cases, the taps are only allowed at least one pipe size smaller than the pipe to be tapped. That means if, let's say, your header is 48, you better avoid to make a branch connection of 48. It can be 42 or 40 or less than the existing pipe to be hot tapped. Welding on pipeline under pressure. Before welding on lines under pressure, existing pipe walls shall be determined. A maximum working pressure shall be calculated in accordance with appropriate B31 code using the actual wall minus 2.5 mm. The 2.5 mm wall thickness takes into account the molten and heat affected portion of the base metal, which does not contribute to pressure containment. Control of cutting. When using gate valves for hot tapping, orient the valve so that chips from the cutting procedure will not fall into the areas where actions of the valve is inhibited. If this is not possible, the hot tap valve shall be provided with a valve drain not less than 3/4 inch NPS to permit flushing of the valve if needed. Removal of hot tap valve. When the hot tap valve is to be removed after tapping, as in case of stoppling, a lock-o-ring flange and plug or approved equal shall be used unless the equipment shall be depressurized and drained prior to removal of the valve. Guide bars. When hot taps are made in pipelines that require scraper bars or lock-o-ring or approved equal flange and plug matching inserts with the bar attached shall be installed. Positioning the split T and the cutter. The welded branch or split T shall be accurately positioned so that the axis of the cutter will intersect the axis of the pipe or vessel being tapped at a 90-degree angle unless an angle tap has been specifically approved in the hot tapping procedure. The branch position shall be verified by the assigned inspector prior to making the cut. So that's all for the hot tapping introduction to you guys. Hope you gain some knowledge through this. If you like the way of my teaching, please do not forget to share and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the like button to inspire me more. Signing off, Showman.